What's going on, guys? Good morning, good morning. Out on another adventure this morning. Very excited for today's adventure, guys. This is going to be a first for the channel. Gonna save that little surprise for you guys later, but we have a very special adventure for today. So I just got some bait and I'm heading out to a particular spot. So you guys come join the adventure with me today, or with us today. Gonna try to see if we can find some permits today. Haven't had good permit weather in a little bit now, so gonna see if we can find some permit today. But you guys just stay tuned. Feel very excited, feel very pumped up for today's adventure. The water is looking real good since over the past couple of days, so I think we might get lucky with a permit or two today. So hopefully we can get some good hookups. But you guys just stay tuned. Remember to hit the like button, guys, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think about these vlogs in the comment section. Also, you know, say a big World Cup time and now I mean, on some other side get slap up and drop out and gone a yard already. But guess what? A big side me support, you know. See it? Big side. Brazil all the way. And nobody come in the comment section can't tell me no nonsense, cause some other side dead already. You hear me? Alright, so let me know which team wanna carry for the World Cup. Leave it in the comment section and make we just enjoy the video. Hartman Adventures at them, man. Welcome back again, guys. I'm almost on my spot that I'm gonna do some permit fishing today, and here's a surprise.
Bunch of Canadians.
We've got some guys from Canada here, taking them for their first ever adventure permit fishing.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
What do y'all have to say to you two?
Hey, welcome to Hartman Adventures. Oh.
All right, check this out, guys. Fishing made me late.
And me late?
The Hartman
Me late.
And we're all late today, so guess what? We're all celebrating being late. Yeah, that's it. We're on Jamaican time, so
Yes, holidays and warm Jamaica.
exactly. So we are heading out on the spot this morning, guys. Hopefully we'll get some good action this morning. Remember to hit the like button, hit the share button. Remember to subscribe as well. And today is John's birthday. Wish John a happy birthday in the comment section, guys. It's John's birthday today, so the first action, John's gonna be on that one. So let's see how this is gonna work out this morning. As usual, I'm gonna show you a little bit of water. It's really choppy, it's really looking good this morning. Look at it, guys, look at it. It's really looking good this morning, so feeling positive that we're gonna get some permit. You guys just stay tuned, and as soon as we get in on the action, I'll tune in back with you guys. Guys, so we are here. We've had some lines in the water for a while now, but we haven't gotten any hookups as yet. We've got a couple of snags, but we see some seaweed coming in now. You guys might not be able to see it right now, but some seaweed is coming in. John is down there, he got a snag on his rod just now, so he's trying to get it free. But seaweed is coming in on the water right now. It's weighing down the line, so we might have to pack up and move to another spot. So just stay tuned and we'll see. I think I just got a hit on this line just now, so it is a hit. Go, 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 go. Yeah, what's going on again, guys? Didn't get to do a lot of filming today. The water was pretty rough, high wind, and the seaweed was coming in and weighing down the lines, so we weren't really getting a lot of hookups today. But it's a different setting now. Guys are still here.
Yeah.
There they are. They're still here. They're in their Hartman Adventure shirts. You see that? Look. Hartman Adventure shirts. You want to show them the back? And you see that, guys? We in no rush because fishing made us late. So
Yes.
yeah. So we are here in the backyard today, and we are just doing some cooking. We have some breadfruit right here roasting. We have some yam roasting. Watch over the side. We have some callaloo. Just a whole heap of lobster in this. And then we have some fish in that we just pick up over the seaside. So we'll do some fire roast fish. I get the grill going just the same. Just light up the grill, so some stuff are going on that as well. We'll put some lobsters on it and put some fish and thing on it. So you guys just stay tuned. I don't really have a camera person today, so you might not going to see everything, but guess what? We're having fun. Guys are having fun just the same.
Oh,
Have
yeah.
you guys had fun today?
We're having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Jamaican adventure.
Exactly. And Ellie's providing entertainment. Ellie,
Ellie, say hi.
say hi. Ellie's providing a whole lot of entertainment here, so we're just having fun today, guys. It's a little bit different today. It's their first time in Jamaica. I wanted to welcome them to Jamaica, make them feel at home. So yeah, and they're having some beer. You see that? Having some good red stripe beer. I had a Canadian beer, and that's the first for me. It was really delicious. I haven't tried that beer before. It was really good. So I'm looking forward to just providing some nice homely comfort customer, and not even customer service, because we are family, not you. I welcome them to the Hartman family today, so we just go and chill out today, enjoy ourselves. So you guys just stay tuned. Look more. So I go on so breadfruit I go on roast. Yam up on the fire, see me? Breadfruit is soon roast, you know. See my steam already. So telling us we are induct them in our family, you know. That's Rose. Hi Rose.
Hi.
Rose I make herself at home, you know. Get in for the action. Yes man. So that's how we do it, you know, guys. There. Just one family. We enjoy ourselves, enjoy the evening, drink 2 beer and thing, and just go and chill. So no, you guys don't see a lot, but that's how you go. So you go. Some of the time when we are going and chill out. Not even remember say camera there for record, so just stay tuned. I try getting in on all of the action as much as possible, but trust me, you now can't get everything. See it here, guys. See what I go on here, so some fish up on the grill. Have some more stuff cut up here, so a couple more fish to go up on the grill, see me. I'll put on some lobster there, so just some mackerel that I go on roast. And John,
We got some yums.
yes man, John up on the roast yam them, scrape some roast yam. So we are going chill, having some beer, doing some nice cooking, and we are going to enjoy the evening. Sorry say you guys can't see all of the preparation and everything that's going on. Breadfruit them ready. I may enjoy myself, so see you guys later more. Just now we tried roast breadfruit and roast salt mackerel,
Yeah.
and I want their feedback. I want them to tell us what their thought is. What do you think about it?
I've had salt in the mackerel before, but that breadfruit is awesome. Never had
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
I'd like that again.
The mackerel was
What did
definitely very salty, but the breadfruit just kind of toned it down a little bit, so it actually tasted very well. Very
Yeah.
good, yeah.
Yeah, same. I agree.
Yeah.
Totally.
We've got a band here going. What did you think about the breadfruit and salt mackerel?
Oh, it was nice to try something from a different culture.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it.
Good,
It
good.
was good.
It's good. So we still have some more breadfruit right here. And we're gonna make a whole bunch of other stuff later. So all of that breadfruit are gonna get used up. Fish there right here, so breadfruit are gonna use with the fish. And the grill will warm up because we'll throw some lobster on the grill too. Alright, so we have some lobster right here, so lobster here stuffed with some butter, some natural seasoning, scale and onion, thyme, little bit of carrot and things. So I just drop them on the grill same way and make them go on simmer down, you see me? So as you can see, filling inside the lobster them. Just drop them on the grill. Oh, yeah, big.
Pardon me?
Just drop them on the grill, same way so.
Yeah. Flour.
See that? Too much heat under the now, so just lower the flame. See that? I make them stay there and go and smoke. Have the rest of the lobster them over here, so. And we have some of that. We'll do some saltfish run, some salt mackerel run down later as well. We'll do some salt mackerel run down later as well, so all of this are going to get used up. So that's what we are going with this evening. We can't really show everything on camera because you know I'm not really have somebody to go and hold the camera, so I go and do my thing and camera I go and rest. So I show you as much as I can show you guys. But Ash soon comes, so as soon as Ash comes, Ash will be on cameras and then we hopefully can show you some more of what I go on. But so far it's been a really good day so far, right guys?
Yes.
Yeah, it's been a really good day so far. We went out to try some fishing. We didn't get anything because as I explained before, whole heap of grass, whole heap of breeze and everything, so never catch anything. But guess what, we have fish and we are going to deal with some fish, we are dealing with some lobster and everything. Alright, so just take off one set of fish, put on the last two. See them there? You can see the lobster them. Can see the lobster them. See that?
Oh yeah.
Lobster them are going to do anything.
Oh,
Look who's home.
just tastes dog, one minute.
So that's Ash. Ash just got home from work. And these guys just tried soursop.
That was
Yeah.
Awesome.
I
Very good.
did find a ripe soursop. What did you guys think?
Awesome.
It was amazing.
Really
The
good.
best
Amazing.
fruit ever.
Mhm.
One of good. It's a great fruit. You can make a juice with it.
Yeah.
Awesome juice to drink. Soursop is really good.
Yeah.
That's one of the #1 juice for Jamaicans. Trust me. Most Jamaicans you find have that on a Sunday. They have that every day. Any day of the week you'll find Jamaicans drinking soursop. It's one of the soursop and carrot juice. Jamaicans love those.
Yum.
Yeah, really good.
Special beer in the fridge, but it's up to Jay if he wants to share that one.
He has to.
Yeah.
He has no choice. Hi guys, I made it home from work. Finally. Long day of meetings. And guess what I came home to? All of this
Bunch of crazy Canadians.
wonderful stuff right here.
Us crazy Canadians.
I heard they had a fantastic day not catching any fish.
Yeah, we got the experience.
And
Yeah man, in the kitchen same way, you know? Yes man. I go and deal with some salt mackerel to make some mackerel run down. Cause we are gonna deal with a whole heap of different things tonight. Lobster, mackerel, fish, all sorts of different things. Yeah.
And of course, we have someone getting in on the lobster action
We're gonna
already.
destroy this lobster.
So they had a great day without me.
It wasn't as
we
good.
tried.
Would have been
We
better
tried
with
to.
you.
Yeah.
Good answer.
And Ellie is here, of course. Say hi, Ellie. And Riley.
I'm not Steve. I'm Sandy.
Say hi,
I'm
Steve. Hi, Sandy.
Hello.
This beautiful lady happens to be married to that crazy man over there.
Crazy, you got it.
And this is Rose.
Hi.
And her husband is over here. That's Steve. So hopefully she married the sane one. I married a crazy one. No, I am the crazy one. Yes, Mom.
That's Steve right there. Steve, a match up thing, eh? Look at the colors in there.
Beautiful colors.
Yeah. Steve, I whip up something. So, we have the last of the lobster on the grill. Last of the lobster them I go and sizzle this up. And then we'll do the salt mackerel rundown now. So, yeah, mackerel rundown we are doing that. Yeah.
Yeah.
So pretty much everything done now, guys. Fish ready, roast yam, breadfruit, mackerel rundown, some lobster, grilled lobster. So everything pretty much done already now. So we're about to set the table and eat some dinner. So yeah, great day so far.
Yeah.
And it's turning into a great night. It's John's birthday, remember guys. Remember, tell John happy birthday in the comment section. So yeah, we're about to have some dinner now, so you guys see you later more. Well, that's been a long day. Finally finished cooking. We're about to have dinner. That's what is pretty much left after we've shared. So just gonna show you guys what one of these is like. We get some lights for you guys.
I think it's better.
So that's what it's like. That's what it's like. So just a whole heap of mix up. Just a whole heap of mix up there on the plate then. Lobster, roast yam, roast breadfruit, fish, salt mackerel rundown, whole heap of mix up. So we'll have some dinner now, drink a few more beers, chill and chat, and then liquor more. So might end the video here. Thanks to you guys for tuning in. Catch you guys in the next video.